The year was 2019. Under blazing lights and a sea of cameras, the Tesla Cybertruck rolled onto the stage like something straight out of science fiction. Its angular stainless steel body, the promise of bulletproof glass, and a yoke steering wheel, people were stunned, confused, and instantly obsessed. Remember that infamous moment? The steel ball shattering the unbreakable glass. Elon Musk's laugh, awkward, defiant. "Room for improvement," he said. The memes, they exploded everywhere. But for Tesla, this was just the beginning. Fast forward to 2025. The Cybertruck faces the real world. Viral clips flood the internet. Cybertrucks barreling through deserts, splashing mud, climbing rocks, almost daring the landscape to fight back. That yoke steering? It's wild, futuristic, and surprisingly intuitive once you get used to it. Autopilot takes the wheel. The world watches as the Cybertruck navigates city streets and open highways, sensors glowing like eyes in the dark. And then, more tests. Bulletproof glass again. You hear the thud, see the pain flex, but this time, it holds. It's not just a car, it's a statement, Elon says. Public reactions are a roller coaster. Some call it genius, others call it madness, but no one can look away. The Cybertruck is everywhere on social feeds, in music videos, even leading off-road rallies. But after all the tests, the trials, the wild claims, one question lingers in the air. Is it really unbreakable? Or is this just the start of something even bigger?